you can see I already opened Discord on my PC. Now here is the email or phone number section. I input my phone number, then I am trying to log in. But you can see I cannot access to log in here because my password not valid. Now I need to just click forget your password, then tap to link your email to sign in instantly. Now I need to just check my Gmail. They are sent me a email for login and installation etc. So here is a two type of option. Log into Discord. If you click on this one, you can directly go on your Discord account. But I can reset my old password, then set up new password. Set your password here. I can choose this one. I can choose a weak password. Then I can click on change password. That's it. You can see it's already changes and I'm going to able to access my Discord account on my PC. Thanks for watching. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.